me. What? Can you imagine? What happened?
Please wake up. What happened? Look at me. See, put it on. Salapa! Come quickly. Why don't you collapse? Please come. What
happened to her?
She's only collapsed. She has been having this attack since her childhood.
What should we do now?
Let's go. Hurry up, please. Hurry up.
Káàbọ̀, Akin, Amodoru, Kújọ́ mẹ́ta, ṣé dáadáa ló dé? Gbogbo àwọn ọlọ́run, káàbọ̀, you are welcome. Ibo ló tún dà lẹ́nu sí i? Ó tiẹ̀ dúró náà kó bomi sára nulẹ̀. Ó dáa, má pẹ́ o, ṣe kí a o.
Today, oh God, today is not tired. Go. Where the KG? This is you.
Already, long time. How are you doing now?
Leave this one. Actually, I want to tell you something. Okay. On my way, call me back. I saw something big, something huge. Something massive. This lady, she's so pretty. She's stunning. I want you to help me figure out who she is and how to talk to her. Please. Please.
That's easy. That should be more on to do. Arẹwà kan ṣoṣo tí ń bẹ nínú àbáwá.
Really?
Yes.
She's the one.
Yes. Be warned. Be warned. She's got so many suitors. Gbogbo ọkùnrin tí ń bẹ nínú àbáwá ní fẹ́ mọ ohun tó dùn dá lọ́rùn.
Today, I don't care. I'm determined to win her heart. I'm determined to win her heart. Me.
Okay. Let's wait till evening time so that we can go approach her.
Oh, today evening, báwo. Bí o bá ti ń pẹ́ lórí mi, èsìkèsì a máa bá níbẹ̀. Nǹkan tó bá ti yá kan gbọ́dọ̀ pẹ́ mọ́. Let's go now, please. I need to get these girl details. Please, let's go now.
Already, let's go.
Are you sure?
What are friends for? Let's go. But be smooth.
No problem.
Deal?
Deal.
Rohun tó wù mí o, àrá rọ̀ mí. Ẹlẹ́yinjú ẹ̀gẹ́, òní tèmi arẹwà. Gbà mí ràn tó rẹ̀ mí o, tó fẹ́ sú mi yé o. Má ṣe rántí ẹ̀rín rẹ̀, má túraká o.
You're not looking bad.
I know. Thank you for that. I'd like to meet you so we can.
And you know
we
what?
can talk.
We can just meet the tree by the side.
Okay.
Later in the evening.
Wow. So you want to go now?
Yeah, thank you.
Oh, you'll be able to carry this
Yes,
stuff.
thank you. Don't worry.
You sure?
You're
Thank
welcome.
you.
Yeah. We see you later.
We see you later.
Yeah.
afẹ́rípaná ọ̀tẹ̀ ọlọ́rọ̀ ní ọmọ ọ̀la gbà mìíràn tó rẹ̀ mí ò ló fẹ́ sún mi yé o máa rántí àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ màdúrà.
àbí mo rohun tó dùn kọ́ nìyẹn like seriously e be like say I dey see things torí pé guy yẹn dẹ̀ ti jẹ́ city boy òun ló ṣe ń tẹ̀lé guy yẹn kí ló dé. I don't blame her because tó bá jẹ́ pé èmi gan city boy wù mí. Torí ẹ̀ náà lọ ṣe jẹ́ ká àwọn àtàwọn village torí ẹ̀ náà lọ ṣe jẹ́ ká sinmi they won't allow the single to breathe why.
Already, Keji, I'm going out. Make sure you tied up all the surroundings for me. And that side, make sure you clear it up. Oh. So, I'm coming.
Where is she now? She's supposed to be here by now. Where is she? Ah, God. Ah.
Sorry, I'm late. Okay. Mama, Lolly, my parents will be worried.
Oh, God. Okay. Jẹ́ kí n pẹ́ lẹ́sẹ̀ náà. Let me escort you.
Ibi tí Asopa náà ń jẹ́ rẹ̀, like, you know we are going somewhere.
Hello.
I don't think we should do this because my mom is not going anymore.
Why?
No problem then.
What do you think?
Let's go and see my baby.
Oh, that's so sweet.
This my place. This thing?
Yes.
Oh, like, that guy is such a sweet and caring guy. I've never felt the way I felt before.
Really? Cutie boy. City boys can be tricky. Àmọ́ ó ṣeé ṣe kí tiẹ̀ dá yàtọ̀. Torí a rí kí ọ̀rẹ́ wa dunnú nítorí ọkùnrin kankan báyìí. I'm very sure the guy is sweet as she said.
I don't even need to doubt my mind. He's the one.
Really?
Yeah, he's the
But
one.
wait, what about Shomi? The guy is always bothering you.
That guy is just a nuisance guy.
Really?
Brother KG is the one. He's the one that owns my house.
But why?
Please, excuse me. Just
See, let's keep moving down. About this guy I told you about, Shani are the ones I mean. We should leave her.
Ẹ̀yin ọ̀rẹ́ mi bóò ni a ṣe ṣe ẹni tá a fẹ́ lọ bá báyìí.
No problem. As you stay there like this, you will grab her like this, you will do a green,
Be calming down, ọmọkùnrin.
you will die in instantly.
Ṣé àṣìdègbò náà ìwọ gba kọ́nà wọlé yóò gba ojúlé wọ́n rú jáde tí n bá ti fojú kan báyìí. Torí lábà yìí kò sẹ́ni kankan tó lágbára tó alábà yìí. Who are they?
They are nothing.
Where ìyá mi mímọ̀ ní tó wù mí.
Nothing.
We are going to kill him today. You are too aggressive, ọmọkùnrin. Don't kill somebody. Oh. We kill him today. We are going to kill him. But we will show them hell.
Sẹ́rí, n tó mi fẹ́ sọ.
Let us finish this one. After we finish this one, we go back to them. We are going to finish them. Again now. Don't worry. One by one. That's it. Let us carry mission. About to carry. Ṣé kò wá yẹ kó dá mi fún? Leave them. Let us finish with this one. You no even bleed us. Deal with them later. Let us finish with this one first. Because I'm boiling. So bẹ̀lẹ̀ iṣu gbóná. You are boiling.
Àdìgbò ni búrò kí ni ìṣòro rẹ̀ gan-an?
Ẹ̀rẹ́ mi mọ̀.
What? Show me what?
Oh, you are the one I've been calling now. Mo rohun tó dùn. Èmi ṣówù mí ni.
And so what?
Èmi kan báyìí kan ni. Mo rohun tó dùn. Is it because of that city boy? No, ṣe Adam lóhùn. Ẹ̀gbin ta lé ni. Ẹ̀gbin ta lé. Ẹ̀yin ọ̀rẹ́.
Ṣé àná sọ fún ọ pé no go lover?
No go following.
Nínú àbá yìí. Wọ́n bá ìwọ ní láṣẹ kan tá tó ṣe ní ìlú. Ẹ ká parí mission. Tá bá ti parí, á padà bá wọn. Ó ti ń bọ̀. Ẹ jẹ́ àṣẹ pápá.
My friend, when will you take me to Lagos?
What happened is that I'm just working in my job. You know, I need job. Once I get job, I'll be able to rent out and do all the things. Then after that, I'm coming.
I'm just tired of this. I'm tired of this. I'm tired of this. God, have mercy.
Ogun abẹ́nu rògbò wèrè kàgbákò bó ṣe wà yóò lọ kú lè. Make you go die. Go die na me get my woman. For this village káwọn èèyàn kà á mọ́ bí. Lórí ibú. Akíndúré! What happened to Mọ́lẹ́ni Kẹ́mi? Kí ló ṣe Mọ́lẹ́ni Kẹ́mi? I don't know. On our way coming back, he just collapsed. I don't know what happened. Mọ́lẹ́ni Kẹ́mi! Mọ́lẹ́ni Kẹ́mi! Mọ́lẹ́ni Kẹ́mi!
Ara ire ni kò fi mí dá.
Mọ́lẹ́ni please don't go. Please don't go. Mọ́lẹ́ni please stand up. Mọ́lẹ́ni please don't go. No.
Ara tó mú ẹ ló lè fi wá dá, jọ̀wọ́ wá fàyè mi dára ire. Ewé kan kò ní jábọ́ lára igi kọ́ba òkè máa mọ̀ sí. Ara tó bá mú sórí tìbítìrẹ ládàlẹ́ ayé.
Alabi, this boy has been injured by the evil force, and we must perform the sacrifice.
Oba, I can do anything. Tell me what to do. Please.
Abiyamo kú ọ̀rọ̀. Alabi, this sacrifice must be made by a pure heart virgin. Ọmọbìnrin tí ò tí ì mọkùnrin.
Tí ò tí ì mọkùnrin.
This our village.
Ara
Akíntúndé.
Mo rò tó dùn. How are you?
Akíntúndé.
Yes. Mo rẹ̀ ní kejì. Kàkà kó dẹ̀ lára ọmọ ìyá jẹ́. Kókó ló tún lè sí. In fact, the healer said he needs a virgin to carry the sacrifice.
Huh?
Yes, a virgin. Yes. Mo tó dùn. We all know that there is no more virgin in this village.
Okay, don't worry. I can do it.
Mo tó dùn. Do you know what you're saying?
Yeah, I'm sure I will do it.
Are you a virgin?
I'm a virgin. I will do it. Don't
You
worry.
will do it.
I will do it.
Are you sure?
I'm very sure.
A virgin? Let's go.
Akíntúndé. I can't face my engagement. Just go and tell Father my decision. Can't face it.
Orotodu, is it true you want to help us?
Yes, I'm ready. I will carry it.
Akíntúndé, help me to call Oba.
Ìkòkò àkúfọ̀ ó dèrò àkìtàn.
Oba, thank God. Orotodu said she's ready to help us to take this sacrifice. Lóòótọ́.
Yes, sir.
Todun,
Yes, sir.
are you sure?
Yes, sir. I'm ready to do anything for my lover.
Are you a virgin?
Yes, I'm
Yes, yes.
What do you make it? Yes, I'm sure.
You are a virgin.
Yes.
That means you have to come
Okay.
in the night.
I will. I will.
But it's done by me.
Thank you.
Alabi. We don't have much time. Kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀? Kí ló dé? Hey.
This is 11:30.
I know.
Akíntúndé.
I know. I know that girl is not a virgin. Ara fún mi. Kí ni àwa fẹ́ ṣe báyìí o?
Nah.
I don't even know. And we have prepared the sacrifice. Just have to come and take it to the Orita. Ló bá tán.
What can we do now?
Carry ọmọ ọkọ. Mo rò ń tó dùn. There is no wasting of time. Now, carry this sacrifice and nìṣó. Kíákíá ká máa nìṣó lórí ìta. Alabi, mo rí ẹ náà. Nìṣó tiẹ̀. Mo bá fa ní ìsọ̀rí kan. Ó dàrúfín o, àrúfín ń dá. Èyí àrúfín ń dá. Àrúfín ń dá. Ẹbọ eléyìí dàrúfín ń dá. Ó dàrúfín o, àrúfín ń dá. Ó dàrúfín o, àrúfín ń dá. Ó dàrúfín o, àrúfín ń dá. Àrúfín o. Wọ́n tó ń bẹ̀ gbòòrò tó dùn. Ó yá. Drop that sacrifice there. Drop it. Ti jẹ́ èèwọ̀ tó dùn gbọ́dọ̀ tó dùn. Ó kú oríire.
Yes, sir.
Mo kí ọmọ bá ọyọ̀, ó kú ogún àjàyè. Ǹlẹ́.
Orotodu, you are welcome. Thank you very much. You have saved my son's life.
It's the right thing to do.
Thank you very much.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Thank you.
Alabi. A kú oríire. Wo adúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run, adúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ àwọn alálẹ̀, adúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Elédùmarè. Alabi, sọ fún Mọ́rẹ́níkejì kó mọ̀ da ọmọbìnrin yìí. Torí ṣàṣà nínú obìnrin ló lè ṣe tó ṣe o. Adúpẹ́. ǹlẹ́ mo rohun tó dùn.
Can I walk you home?
Oh, don't worry, I'll be fine.
Are you sure?
I'll be fine.
Are you
Thank
sure?
you. Yes, I'll be fine.
Thank you very much. God bless you.
Yes.
Mo rẹ́ni kejì ó yá ṣíra ńlẹ̀ kó mu díẹ̀ gbé mu. ǹlẹ́
Nkeji.
pẹ̀lẹ́
Ìyàwó.
bó o lára ṣe báyìí.
Thank you.
Ọkàn.
Thank you.
Mo rohun tó dùn.
Sir.
Thank you.
Welcome,
You have
sir.
saved my son.
Yes, sir.
Alabi, we have to visit Morun Todun's family.
Papa, what happened?
Me and her parents have a little conversation to discuss about.
Mo rohun tó dùn. Don't worry, everything will be okay.
Yes, sir.
Bola,
Ọba
you are not surprised that you see me this morning.
sọ mí lójú. Mo mọ̀ káàkiri ewu lọ́sùn.
Bola,
Ǹjẹ́
Morun Todun is under sickness from her childhood, right?
àwo gidi? I've known you for a long time. Àwo gidi ni ọ́. You are right. Àìsàn kan mú from her childhood. Ọba, I spent a lot of money, but we did not get the cure for her. Mo ti ta nǹkan jìnnà nínú oko. I only pray that God orí ìyá rẹ̀ lọ́run, He will help me to cure the sickness from her.
Ifá ò ṣe o, Ifá ò ṣe. Ọ̀rúnmìlà bára àgbọn mi règún. O ṣeun. Bola, you don't need to stress yourself anymore. You won't believe if I tell you that Morun Todun is now healed from her sickness.
Come on, stop it. How would that possible? Láíláí kò lè ṣẹlẹ̀.
Bola, ó mọ̀ mí lánàá kó tó dòní. Ètùtù ìwòsàn tó bá Mọ́rẹ́nikejì ọmọ Àlàbí. Another boy tó bá gbé
Impossible. Morun Todun gbẹ́bọ. Carry sacrifice for Mọ́rẹ́nikejì.
Yes.
Ọmọ Àlàbí.
Yes.
No, she will never do that. I trust that she will never do. Without my consent, Morun Todun, is it true that you carry sacrifice o gbé ẹbọ on behalf of Mọ́rẹ́nikejì?
Bola, it is true. She did. And she has cured.
Màá dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Elédùà, ṣùgbọ́n ó dùn mí.
Bola,
Ọba.
just let us thank Olódùmarè and àwọn alálẹ̀ ilẹ̀.
It pains me a lot.
You see? Bola, forgive her.
Elédùà ò ṣeun. Alabi, how is Mọ́rẹ́nikejì health now? He is doing much better, but we owe Morun Todun everything. Elédùà ló ní gbogbo ọpẹ́ ẹ̀. Ọba, thank you very much.
Adúpẹ́ f'Elédùmarè.
May Elédùmarè take all power and take all glory.
Àṣẹ. Àṣẹ.
What will I do?
Àbí?
Ìtìpọ́ náà nìyẹn.
Bola, ojú ẹ̀ ò ní rí bímọ.
Àṣẹ.
Lórí Morun Todun.
Ó tó gẹ́, ó tó gẹ́, ó ti tó gẹ́. Ìbànújẹ́ inú ayé.
Morun Todun, thank you so much. I'm so happy to have you. You helped me a lot. You bring me back to life. Thank you so much. Hello? Wow! 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 You mean D&C Global Limited have given me the job? Wow, thank you. Thank you. I'm coming back to the city very soon. Yes, you'll see me soon. Wow. Wow. Morun Todun. It's a job offer from the city.
That's a good news.
I know it's a good news, but I don't want to leave you.
Morenikeji,
Yes.
this is a good chance to build a future for the both of us. To go.
I know it's a chance for me to build good future for both of us, but I don't want to leave you. Okay, what are we to do? Let's do it like this. What if we go to the city together?
I don't think my parents will allow it.
Ah, your parents. Well, we figure it out together.
Ayombola, I know this is a lot to ask, but my son loves your daughter. I promise he will take good care of her.
Alabi, but you know, this is a hard tax on me. And she is my only child. But ó dẹ̀ mọ̀ wípé màmá ẹ̀ ti kú. She don't have mother anymore. Ẹyin ojú mi nìyẹn.
I understand your concern, but Morontodu need to live a new life in the city. She deserves to live happy.
Sir, we will definitely take care of your daughter. You rest assured, sir. You rest assured. Abi? Yes, we will.
Ìfẹ́ wa kò ní gbó, ìfẹ́ wa kò ní ṣá, ìfẹ́ wa kò ní tí ó rárá, a ó jọ lóra wa dalẹ̀ ní ìwọ láyọ̀ mi o. Ìwọ láyọ̀ mi. Ayọ̀ ayérayé o. Ìwọ láyọ̀ mi. Ayọ̀ tí kò ní tí. Ayọ̀ ayérayé. I love you forever and ever. Ṣé fi mí sílẹ̀ lọ? Ẹni bí ọkọ mi. Láyọ̀ mi. Ìwọ láyọ̀ mi. Láyọ̀ mi. We will last together forever. Ṣé fi mí sílẹ̀ lọ? Torí pé bẹ́ẹ̀ kí.
Morontodu and Morenikeji live happily in the city. And since then, Morontodu has never experienced any attack again. This story of Morontodu and Morenikeji is a testament to the power of true love. Though faith brought them together, but it was love that truly healed.
So, Faith brought Morenikeji back to the village and also made Shomi and his friends plot against him.
Exactly. Exactly, my daughter. It was love that empowered Morontodu to make the ultimate sacrifice.
Tí n bá ṣe pé ìfẹ́ òtítọ́, ìfẹ́ àtinúwá tí Morontodu ní sí Morenikeji, she wouldn't have sacrificed herself.
Exactly. True love is a powerful force. Láyé òde òní, onírúurú ìfẹ́ là ń rí. Ìfẹ́ ẹ̀tàn, ìfẹ́ owó, ìfẹ́ tí ó yè koro rárá. My daughter, fake love are full of everywhere.
It's true. We need to love genuinely and without conditions. Thank you, sir. I really learned a lot from Morenikeji and Morontodu's story.
When we love genuinely, we don't bring joy to ourselves alone. but also to people around us. My daughter, let's all learn how to spread love.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome, my daughter. But remember, true love can heal, can inspire, can also transform lives. You do.
Ìfẹ́ wa kò ní gbó. Ìfẹ́ wa kò ní ṣá. Ìfẹ́ wa kò ní tí ó rà.